An event video. So today we're off out in Cat, the Mark III Capri. After she's just passed her MOT, the last ever one I might add. She's historic status as of April next year. Today we are heading out to the Hurt Arms at Ambergate in Matlock, Derbyshire. I'll catch up with you in a little while. Mark Super Turbo. What a machine. That's very cool. So we've made it down to the Hurt Arms today. We've got our lovely cat sat behind us there. Unfortunately Millie couldn't make it out, she's still got issues, still leaking lots of oil everywhere. We've got some lovely classic Fords out, classic Cavalier sat over here. I think we should go have a look, don't you? Estate. And then we've got this. Mark 1 Mini there. And the Allegro. Last time I saw an Allegro out on the road, eh? Lovely TR4 there with a hard top. Very nice. Mark 3 Astra GSI. Well, last time I saw one of those. Nice Golf as well. Timeless. There we go. Mark 1 Sirocco. That's lovely. And look at that there. Lovely Mustang, very nice. There we go. That's cool. Is that a Zaxby kit on that? Mark II front grille again. I like how the lights will be assessed in the front bumper. Very nice. There's a little wide body kit on that. It's lovely. Lovely Dolomite, and we've got our lovely Cooper Sport on end. Beautiful. And that YB Saturday Bay, look at that. Beautiful. And then oh, there's 500 at the side of it. Looking stunning in the bay again. Very cool indeed. Very cool car. Lovely SAF as well. I've seen this car before, it's awesome. Now, what have we got here? What a lovely Audi car. Patina. Looks like it's on air as well. That looks awesome in there. What a cool car. MG. That one Fiesta. Nice. Our lovely Catherine. A Nova next to that. That's a cool looking Nova. Very cool. TVR. Oh, let's do that TVR. XR3 car. Land of lightweight. Very, very rowdy. Caddy pickle. Look at that. That's in there. Kind of nice and clean. It's in the bay as well. Very nice. Mini Equinox. Spitfire. K10 Micro. Scirocco. Oh, Corrado, sorry, my bad. All cars new van. Nova. Very nice indeed. Got cars of motorsport. Lovely. Lovely Evo next to that as well. Stunning Porsche next to that. TVR 350i. Lovely Beamer. We've got a Monaro there. XR-V8 is it, I think. And an awesome little Panda on the end. Look at that. I love an old 90. Awesome. It's lovely little bit here. That's awesome. Next to Lotus Lamb. Beautiful. Another lovely Mini come out to play. And there's Sam. Morning, Sam.
Morning, right, mate.
How about you?
Yeah, good, mate.
Nice to see it out. Look at this beast. Martin Escort. Lovely. Next to another Martin Escort. Very rowdy in there. Very cool. Mordor with Saab 2-litre lump. Shoehorned in the bay. Look at that. Very cool. XR3i. Nice. Orion. So Orion very often. Very nice indeed. R2 Spider. Mark 1 MR2. 59 Mini. Subaru STI. That's awesome. Lovely Cortina. I've seen it from before. That's absolutely stunning build, that. Vauxhall Cavalier.
While since I've seen you smile, or take time for yourself, or say it's good to be you. Been soaking so long, your head's hanging down, your face stuck in a frown. Well, listen, baby, I'm done trying to keep it together and wondering whether I'm right or I'm wrong. And all I need is a song. Let's sing it together. And the world is a dance floor. Everybody live it up. Live it like you're never gonna give it up. Life is a party, so let's get what we came for. Everybody live it, cause the world is a dance floor tonight. One more again. Hey, you don't need to blame the guilt or the shame. You see, sometimes we all just need to learn the hard way. To stop looking down, to turn it around. You just turn up the sound. Sing with me, baby, I'm done trying to keep it together and wondering whether I'm right or I'm wrong. And all I need is a song. Let's sing it together for now or forever. Yeah, baby, it's on tonight. Cause life is a party and the world is a dance floor. Everybody live it up. Live it like you're never gonna give it up. Life is a party, so let's get what we came for. Everybody, everybody live it, 'cause the world is a dance floor tonight. Dance floor tonight. 'Cause the world is a dance floor tonight. Now I'm searching for something new, and I know that you're searching too, yeah. And there's nothing we need to do but let our love shine through. Yeah, baby, it's out tonight. Life is a party and the world is a dance floor. Everybody, everybody live it up. Live it like you're never gonna give it up. Life is a party, so let's get what we came for. Everybody, everybody live it, 'cause the world is a dance floor tonight. Life is a party and the world is a dance floor. Everybody, everybody live it up. Live it like you're never gonna give it up. Life is a party, so let's get what we came for. Everybody, everybody live it, 'cause the world is a dance floor tonight. Dance floor tonight. 'Cause the world is a dance floor tonight. Now I'm searching for something new, and I know that you're searching too, yeah. And there's nothing we need to do but let our love shine through. Yeah, baby, it's out tonight. Life is a party and the world is a dance floor. Everybody, everybody live it up. Live it like you're never gonna give it up. Life is a party, so let's get what we came for. Everybody, everybody live it, 'cause the world is a dance floor tonight. Dance floor tonight. 'Cause the world is a dance floor tonight. Dance floor tonight. 'Cause the world is a dance floor tonight.
Now that'd be a difficult choice for me to make. Focus ILS on the left and Charge ILS on the right. I think pretty much on the even field, but I don't know. Difficult decision. Leave me comments below which you choose. I've just stumbled across the lovely collection of TVRs here. We're going to have a look at all these. I'm quite smitten with the TVR. Very, very nice. Got the Griffith 500 here. Silver and the maroon. Red. I don't know what colour it is, but it's very nice. Early TVR there. That's lovely. Not any early Griffith, is it? I can't remember. Correct me in the comments for sure. Wow. That's lovely. That lovely TVR V8 in there on the Rover V8, but oh, beautiful. of the Japanese world R34 GTR. Well, hold on a little bit. There's some cracking variety out at the show today, but we've got other things to get on this afternoon, including fixing Millie. So that's it from me. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you next time on Nick Proof Certified.